You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from history that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English it is said as Byzantine Empire. In American English, however, it is usually said as Byzantine Empire in American English, or Byzantine Empire in British English. Both are correct pronunciations, of course, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.